listing methods. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. All numbers that divide evenly into 12. If I do the same for 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18, they're all the numbers that divide evenly in. The highest number that's in both of this is, as Teddy says, 6. So the highest common factor. So I list the factors. Don't need to draw a prime factor tree, but you can. Is it interesting symbol? Popo's going to tell me what it is. Yeah, it's the cube roots. Yeah. So what number? So I can write this a different way. Popo, what's the answer? 3. Yeah. So the sum number times by itself 3 times gives 27. Flynn, what is that number 3? Okay, so another way of writing that then is the cube root of 27 is 3. So that's pretty much the same way. So that's cube root is 3. Next one is order of operations. So we have our order we must do. Casper, this, we have to do the which way, what we do first. So usually first it's brackets, but we don't have any brackets here. Second then is powers, but we don't have any powers here. Third, joint third is division and multiplication. We do have multiplication, so we do it first. So this is 21, and now I can do in order from left to right, because addition and subtraction have the same weighting. I do whichever comes first. So 2 plus 21 is 23. Take away the 4. 19. Thank you. 19. Draw a prime factor tree. So we've done a number of these. For this number, 2 things that multiply to give this. So I can, 2 times 62 gives this. So that's, and 2 times 31 gives that. So I can divide them by 2 to find 2 numbers that multiply to give the one above. How do I write this then? I should probably write it in index form. So I write 2 times 31, but of course that's not index form. If I have 2 times 2, I can write it 2 squared. Yes, 2 with a little 2. Okay? So I was just looking for the prime factor tree. You didn't need to do that, but it's good practice to get used to this. This one, I have -3, subtract a -4. So -3, if I have a number line, I start at -3 on the number line, and I have to subtract a -4, so that's like a double negative. So I should know at this stage that would be similar to adding 4, subtracting a negative, taking away a negative is adding. So -3 plus 4, so we got to go in the positive direction here. I think I end up at +1, don't I? So +1. And the last thing, quite straightforward, a repeated multiplication can be written in index form, 2 to the power of 4, because there's 4